How to add phone number to Yahoo. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily add your recovery phone number to your Yahoo account. First thing first, go ahead and type in yahoo.com and hit enter. Then from here, you'll be redirected to Yahoo's official website. All you have to do is click on the profile link at the top and then click on manage your account. Once you click on Manage Account, you'll be able to see different options like your profile's overview, your personal info, security, recent activity, and other stuff like that. And if you head over to Personal Info, here you'll have an option to update your personal details. But as you can see, if I click on this, there is no option to add a phone number here. I can only edit my first, last name, preferred name, and then gender. In order to add the phone number, you need to head over to the security options and you're going to have to add it as a recovery option for your account. So once headed over to security, scroll down and here you can find the option for adding a phone number. So if I scroll down, here's an option for recovery phone numbers. I'm just going to click on add phone number. Just go ahead and type in your number here and then just go ahead and tap on next. And once you click on next, if the number is valid, it will send a verification code to your number. You're just going to have to verify it and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.